up on a farm. And there's animals. Look at the goatee. Goats are picky eaters. They do not eat tin cans or trash. Did you know that? Goats were responsible for the discovery of coffee in South America? Oh, so you're the actual goat. Oh, this is the berries. We're gonna pick these. Little bushes. Let me show y'all. Looks really sweet. Alright. Let's see if we can pick some of these. Oh, sheep. ASMR be like. Barnes and Nobles, maybe? Okay. Yeah, look at the heads. Oh my God. Look at your head. Ready? These are our layers of blackberry seeds. Now once they're completely dry, we'll be able to put them in baggies and label it blackberries so that we can grow them until it's lit. I'm excited. Maybe a jam or like a simple syrup? Syrup. It's more of a syrup. Yeah. I think it's coming out good. It looks cool. It's pinkish too. Yeah. Yeah, the blackberry, a little bit of the blackberry, and pink tea. Look at that coming through. Hopefully that'll come out cool. And obviously we ate the rest. Yes. They're gone. I can sit on that and move this like this. Today is a cleaning day. I'm gonna use this whole entire day to just clean. This is our outdoor shed, so we have everything in here from camping stuff to our van life stuff, and it's just a whole lot. So I'm gonna try to get through a lot of it today, and yeah, quite an easy process, and I'm ready to start. So let's see, ooh, plants. I know. Look at the turmeric. Wow, that's crazy. This one's getting. I feel like this is the basil. The one with the flowers. Basil. Yeah. And green onions prospering the ways. Garden time. Noodles for lunch. Ooh, I like the way you think. I'm down. Need a break. Plane is hot. Ooh, foreshadow. Zoom. Zoom. As you guys know by now, in this part of the video, we're moving to Jamaica for some time.
Yeah. Finally making the trek. It's official. We are going to fix up a lovely house and just making an experience that is just going to be out of this world. And I'm just so excited to start.
Me too. It's like, at this point,
Finally
it's come to
here.
like an unexplainable point to where like we're just like, we gotta get there and get our hands just like working. But
Yeah.
it's gonna be really beautiful. We just wanna channel all those like relaxing like energies like
like
from our travels that just open up our brains to think of how we can like
do things
differently.
Yeah. I think on our like travels we had to like, now every day was different and we had to adapt to different things.
And it taught us too that with every day being different and unknown, just to relax. Very much. Okay, everyone. Yes, that's what everyone.
So it took a year for us to realize that that wasn't what we were destined for, I guess.
Yep. Full circle. It's our full circle.
It just keeps coming back. That's why I strongly believe like this thing is gonna be insane. It's gonna be really good for us. I'm so excited to share it with everybody and just to, I don't know, just to start. Yeah.
Just to start.
Just to start.
On that note, I'm going back to cleaning. Cheers. Is that even close? Oh, we're close. Yeah. Okay. Clean them.
Hey, so today is August 20th and we are almost out of here. We have about like 2 weeks. Jamaica has been on Ashley and I's brains for the longest. Being there surrounded by the beautiful nature and just like immersed in like rest and like what true rest feels like. And I just can't wait to get there and start like working on this. Just, this is how I feel. I can't wait to just get my hands on things and like sit down with Ashley, and we'll be able to actually sit down and talk about ideas and write them down. Like we probably both have them written down already, but actually coming together and like making a full-on like plan. And we're just ready to take this by storm. And we've just learned along the way, and we're just ready to adapt and see what life has for us in Jamaica, because that's where we're about to be in 2 weeks. September 5th, we're out of here, taking the little stuff that we have, going over there and just starting to make a life for ourselves. It's gonna be great. Cheers to the future.
First step, sell car. Hey, how do you feel? Are you mourning your car?
It's a little mixed, it's mixed emotions right now. I can't even speak.